Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A QuickBooks statement simply prints information already recorded by the statement charges and by other receivables transactions. Therefore, you can't edit the statement's information directly through the statement. A typical statement covers a time period and shows the customer's previous balance, any new charges, any payments or credits that you've received and applied to the account, and the new balance for the customer during the period specified. A statement can simply show information, like invoices sent to and payments received from a customer over a time period, or they can be used for billing, showing statement charges due and requesting payment of those charges. To create statements, select Customers from the menu bar, and then choose the Create Statements command in order to view the Create Statements window. In this window, you can decide what type of statement you will be creating by setting the desired parameters. First, you can enter the statement date by using the Statement Date Calendar Date selector. This date will appear at the top of each statement and will also appear as the billed date for billing statements. Next, you decide what type of statement to send. The statement can either show transactions from one date to another, or it can show all open transactions as of the statement date entered. To create a statement that shows all transactions over a specified date range, select the Statement Period From option, and then select the first date from the adjacent calendar selector, and then select the ending date of the transactions by choosing an ending date from the To Calendar Date selector. To show all open transactions instead, select the All Open Transactions as of Statement Date option. If you select that option, you can check the Include Only Transactions over X days past the due date option if desired. You can then fill in the number of days past due. Next, you select the customers to whom you want to send the statements by first choosing one of the available option buttons and then making any additional selections as needed within the Select Customers section. Once you've finished that, you can then set any additional options that you would like your statements to possess by making your desired selections from the checkboxes available in the Select Additional Options section. Also note, you can use the Template drop-down that appears to select a custom statement template if available. If you would like to assess finance charges, you can click the Assess Finance Charges button within the Create Statements window to bring up the Assess Finance Charges window. Here you will assess finance charges on any customers and customer jobs that are selected with a check mark. You can remove the checks if you don't want to assess a charge on them. The finance charges are shown in the rightmost column. They are calculated based on the default finance charge settings that you created within the Preferences window. You can change the amount shown by typing the desired amount to charge into the column if needed. Then you simply click the Assess Charges button to assess the charges shown. That will drop you off at the Create Statements window again. Here you can click the Preview button to preview the statements that you will send. When you're ready, you can simply click the Print button to print the statements.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.